What is dyes? Dyes are substances those are used to color various materials, including textiles, plastics, paper, and other materials. They are soluble, colored organic compounds that are usually applied to textiles from a solution in water. Dyes can be natural or synthetic. They are designed to bond strongly to the polymer molecules that make up the textile fiber. A dye is used to impart color to materials of which it becomes an integral part. 1. Classification of dyes based on origin: natural dyes, synthetic dyes. 2. Dyes classification based on chemical structure: azo dyes, anthraquinone dyes, triphenylmethane dyes, phthalocyanine dyes, quinoline dyes, nitroso dyes, indigoid dyes, natural dyes. 3. Classification of dyes based on application method: direct dyes, reactive dyes, acid dyes, basic dyes, dispersed dyes, vat dyes, pigments. 4. Dyes classification based on solubility: water-soluble dyes, oil-soluble dyes, solvent dyes. 5. Classification of dyes based on use: textile dyes, food dyes, ink dyes, leather dyes, hair dyes, medical dyes,